Hey there, lovely viewers. Did you know that your kidneys are like your body's own personal detoxifiers? Yep, they work tirelessly to filter out waste and keep your internal system running smoothly. But here's the kicker. Just like any hard-working machine, your kidneys can sometimes get bogged down too. In today's video, we're diving deep into the realm of kidney health. Let's talk about some unexpected signs that your kidneys might be sending you a SOS signal. Before we delve into these kidney whispers, here's a mind-blowing fact to get you started. Did you know that your kidneys filter about 120 to 150 quarts of blood daily? That's like your kidneys running a marathon every single day. Alright, let's talk kidney language. When your kidneys need your attention, they don't hesitate to send out signals. Here are 5 crucial warning signs that your kidneys might be trying to tell you something important. 1. Changes in urination patterns. If your bathroom trips have suddenly increased or decreased, it's time to take notice. Your kidneys might be trying to send a message. Frequent urination could be a sign of urinary tract infections or kidney issues. Decreased urination might indicate dehydration or kidney dysfunction. 2. Swelling and puffiness. When you notice swelling in your ankles, feet, or even around your eyes, it's a clear indicator that your kidneys are struggling to maintain the right balance. Swelling, also known as edema, occurs when your kidneys struggle to eliminate excess fluid and sodium from your body. It's often seen around the ankles, feet, and eyes. 3. Persistent fatigue. Feeling exhausted despite a full night's sleep? Your kidneys play a significant role in producing energy-regulating hormones. Kidneys play a vital role in producing erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates red blood cell production. Fatigue can arise due to anemia caused by reduced red blood cells. 4. Skin troubles. Unexplained itchiness, dry skin, or skin discoloration could all be signs that your kidneys are under stress. Healthy kidneys help remove waste and toxins from your blood. When they're not functioning optimally, your skin might showcase this imbalance through itchiness, dryness, and discoloration. 5. Unpleasant breath and taste. If your breath suddenly takes a turn for the worse, or if you're experiencing a constant metallic taste in your mouth, your kidneys might be speaking up. Kidney dysfunction can lead to the accumulation of waste products in your blood, which can result in bad breath and an altered taste in your mouth. Remember, your body has its unique way of communicating with you. These warning signs are like your body's attempt at flagging you down. If any of these resonate with you, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. If you found this information helpful, give that thumbs up a click and consider subscribing to our channel. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and until next time, take care.